Dear student, welcome to Kana Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our new chapter is playing with numbers. First topic is factor and multiplies. First of all, factor. What is a factor? Definition of a factor. A factor of a number is an exact divisor. Exact divisor of that number. Factor is exact divisor of that number. Let's see an example. We want to find factor of factor of 4. This is our question. Now this is 4. We want to know his factor, so we will divide by 1. 4 times 4, remainder is 0. Then we will divide by 2. 2 times 4, remainder is 0. Now divide by 3. 4, 1 times 3, remainder is 1. 4, 1 times 4, remainder is 0. Now remainder is 0, which is called exact divisor. When we divide any number by any number, remainder is 0, which is called exact divisor. So what is the factor of 4? Factor of 4 is, by dividing 1, exactly divide. By dividing 2, which exactly divide. By dividing 3, remainder is 1, not equal to 0. So 3 is not factor of 4. Now in next, let another example. Find factor of 12. First of all, dividing by 1. 1 times 1, then 2. 2 times 2, remainder is 0. So this exactly divide. So first answer is 1. Then 2. 6 times 12. Now factor is 2. 3. 4 times 12, remainder is 0. So factor is 3. Then 4. 3 times 12, remainder is 0. Now factor is 4. By 5. 2 times 10, remainder is 2. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Now 6. 2 times 12, remainder is 0. So 6 is a factor. Now 7. 1 times 7, remainder is 5. So this is not a factor. By 8. 1 times 8, remainder is 4. So 8 is not a factor. By dividing 9. 1 times 9, remainder is 3, not equal to 0. So 9 is not a factor. Then 10. 1 times 10, remainder is 2. So this is not a factor. By dividing 11. 1 times 11, remainder is 1. So 11 is not a factor. 12. 1 times 12, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. Now this is our factor. So the factor of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Let's take beginning from this. What is a factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. The divisor will exactly divide, the remainder should remain 0. Let example, find the factor of 4. Now we will dividing by 1, remainder is 0. By dividing 2, remainder is 0. By dividing by 3, remainder is 1. By dividing by 4, remainder is 0. So take remainder 0 at divisor 1 2 and 4. So 1, 2 and 4 is our factors. 3 is not our factor because this did not exactly divide. Let another example, find the factor of 12. First of all, 1, 12 times, remainder is 0. So 1 is a factor. By dividing 2 6 times, remainder is 0. So 2 is a factor. By dividing 3 4 times, remainder is 0. So 3 is our factor. By dividing 4, remainder is 0. So 4 is our factor. By dividing 5, remainder is 2. So 5 is not our factor. By dividing 6, remainder is 0. So 6 is our factor. By 7, remainder 5. This is not factor. By dividing 8, remainder is 4. This is not a factor. By dividing 9, remainder is 3. This is not our factor. By dividing 10, remainder is 2. So this is not a factor. By dividing 11, remainder is 1. So this is not a factor. By dividing 12, remainder is 0. Remainder is 0. So 12 is our factor. So factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic. Now our next topic is some properties on factor. What is a factor? Factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. First property. 1 is the factor of every number. Let's see last examples. We check factor. Factor of 4. The solution is 1, 2 and 4. Factor of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now take another example. Factor of 21. 1, 3, 7 and 21. Factor of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. This is our examples. First is 1 is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number because we can divide every number by 1. Because we can divide every number by 1. So 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Factor of 4 is 4, factor of 12 is 12, factor of 21 is 21, factor of 28 is 28. Every number is a factor of itself because every number can divide itself one times. 4 can divide 4 one time. 12 can divide 12 one time. 21 can divide 21 one time. 28 can divide 28 one time. So every number can divide itself. Every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number by definition. By definition. The definition is factor of a number is an exact divisor. The remainder will be 0. So every factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. If we cannot dividing that number, this is not our factor. Fourth, every factor is less than or equal to the given number. Every factor is less than or equal to. Factor of 4 is 1 less than, 2 less than, 4 equal. Factor of 12 is 1 less, 2 less, 3 less, 4 less, 6 less and 12 is equal. No one is greater than 12 because the greater values cannot divide, because greater number cannot divide the given number. Greater number is cannot divide that given number. Five cannot divide 4. 5 cannot divide 4. So greater number cannot divide given number. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next properties. Our previous topic is factor. Now next is multiples. A number is a multiple. A number called multiple of each of its factors. A number is a multiple of each of its factor because every factor can divide that number. Every factor can divide that number. So the factor called multiples. For example, factor of 4 is 1, 2, 4. So 1 is so 4 is multiple of 1 because 1 into 4, answer is 4. 4 is multiple of 2 because 2 multiply 2 will be 4. 4 is multiple of 4 because 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So the factor is also multiples of that number. Now let another example. Factor of 28 is 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. These are. So 28 is multiple of 1 because 1 into 28 is equal to 28. 28 is multiple of 2 because 2 into 14 is equal to 28. 2 is multiple of 28. 28 is multiple of 4. 4 into 7, 28. 28 is multiple of 7 because 7 into 4 is equal to 28. 28 is multiple of 14 because 14 into 2 is equal to 28. 28 is multiple of 28 because 28 into 1 is equal to 28. So these factors are multiple of given number. These factors are multiple of given number. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to properties on multiplication. Now some properties of multiples. every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. Let multiple of 3, by which number the factor we can find out 3. The factor of 3 is 3, factor of 6 is 3, factor of 9 is 3, factor of 12 is 3, factor of 15 is 3, factor of 18, 21, 24. This is the table of 3. This is the table of 3. So we can find a multiple of 3 by values of table of 3. So the multiple of 3 is these. They are greater than or equal to, they are greater than or equal to that number. Now second one is the number of multiple of a given number is infinite. This table can written in infinite terms. Multiple of 3, 6, 9, dot dot dot, 99, dot dot dot, 666, dot dot dot, 99999, and many more. And many more numbers are multiple of 3. There are so many numbers which is multiples of 3. So the multiple of given number is infinite. Now next is every number is a multiple of itself. We saw here every number is multiple of itself because every number can divide itself by one time. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our question in exercise. Our first question in exercise 3.1 is write the all factors of following number. Question number first. Our first question is factor of 24. Factors of 24 is, now first of all 1 is a factor of every number. Now by whom we can divide exactly? So 2 is a factor, then 12 is also factor, 1 is a factor, and digit itself is a factor. So 1 and 24 are the factor of 24. When we dividing by 2, which will be 12 times, so 12 is also factor. Now by 3, 8 times 24. So 3 is a factor and 8 is also a factor. Now we will divide by 4. This is our 6 times. 4 is a factor and 6 is also a factor. Now we will divide by 5. 4 times 20 and 4. Remainder is 4. So this is not a factor. 6, then 7. Now 7, 24, 3 times 21, remainder is 3. So this is not a factor. When we use 9, 2 times 18, remainder is 6. So 9 is not a factor. So factor of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Factor of 15 is 1 and 15 are basic factor. 1 and 15 are basic factor. Now dividing by 2, we cannot divide. By dividing 3, get 5 times. Now dividing by 4, not possible. Dividing by 6 not possible, dividing by 7 not possible. So these are our factor 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factor of 20 is 1 and 20 are our basic factors. Now check. We can divide by 2 10 times. So 2 and 10 are our factor. By dividing 3 not possible, dividing by 4. Dividing by 4, this will be 5 times. So 4 and 5 are our factor. Now factor is 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factor of 21 is 1 and 21 is our basic factors. 1 and 21 is our basic factors. Now we dividing by 2 not possible, dividing by 3 this will be 7 times. So 3 and 7 both are our factor. You can check another numbers, those are not a factor of 21. Factor of 18 is 1 and 18 are our basic factors. Now when we dividing by 2, this will be 9 times. So 2 and 9 is our factor. By dividing 3, this will be 6 times. So 3 and 6 is our factor. By dividing 4 not possible, by dividing 5 not possible. So factors are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. You will check the factor at half numbers. Half of 18 is 9. You will check the factors at digit 9. Factor of 27 is, now take half of this number. Half of 27 is 13.5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now take 14. These are the numbers where we check the factors. First of all, 1 and 27 is our basic factors. So 1 and 27 is factor. 1 is a factor. Now 2, we cannot divide 27. By 3, yes. 3, 9 times. So 9 is also factor. By dividing 4, cannot possible. 5 cannot possible, 6 cannot possible, 7 cannot possible, 8 cannot possible, 10 cannot possible, 11 cannot possible, 12 cannot, 13 and 14. So factor is 1, 3, 9 and 27. Factor of 23 is 1 and 23. Half of 23 is 11.5. Half of 23 is 11.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now take the 1. 1 is our factor. We cannot divide 23 by 2. 3 not possible, 4 not possible, 5 not possible, 6 not possible, 7 not possible, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No one can divide in 23. 1 and 23 is our factor. Factor of 12 is 1 and 12. First of all, 1 and 12. Now we will divide by 2, this is over 6 times. By dividing 3, this is over 4 times. 5 cannot divide 12, 7 cannot divide, 8 cannot divide. So factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factor of 36 is 1 and 36 are our factor. Now we will divide by 2. This will be 18 times. Now by dividing 3, this will be 12. By dividing 4, this will be 9 times. By dividing 6, this will be 6. So our factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our next question is question number 2. Write first 5 multiples of these. What is the multiples? Multiples is our table. So the first 5 elements of table of 5. First 5 multiples of 5 is 5 into 1 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25. So first 5 multiples of 5 is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. Now in next question is first 5 multiples of 8 is 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, 8 into 4 32, 8 into 5 40. So the first 5 multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32 and 40. First 5 multiples of 9 is 9 into 1 9, 9 into 2 18, 9 into 3 27, 9 into 4 36, 9 into 5 45. So first 5 multiples of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36 and 44. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is match the item in column first with the items in column second. This is our column first and this is our column second. In column first written that 35, 15, 16, 20 and 25. No hint from here. Now in column 2 multiple of 8 means present in table of 8. Which number is present in table of 8 means 8 can divide in these number. 8 can divide 35, no. 15, no. 16, yes. 8 can divide 16. Now multiple of 7 means which number is divided by 7. We can divide 35 by 7. 7 5s are 35. 7 5s are 35. Now which number is multiple of 30 in table of 30? 30 can divide in these number? No one possible. Sorry. This is our 70, multiple of 70. By which number is can divide by 70? Which number can divide by 70? No one. Factor of 30. Factor of 30 means that number can divide 30. 15 can divide 30. 15 can divide 30. So 15 is a factor of 30. Now factor of 50. 25 can divide 50. Factor of 20. 20 can divide 20. So these are the match item in column first and column second. Now let's take beginning from this. Multiple of 8. 8 can divide these numbers. 35 not possible, 15 not possible, 16 yes. 8 can divide 16. So these are matching. Multiple of 8, 7. 7 can divide in these number. 35 can divide by 7. Multiple of 70. 17 can divide these number. Not possible. 70 is greater than these numbers, so 70 cannot divide these number. Factor of 30, these number can divide the 30, 15 can divide 30. Factor of 50, which number is divide 50? 25 will divide 50. Factor of 20, which number can divide 20? 20 can divide 20. So you can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Our last question from this exercise is find all multiples of 9 up to 100. Multiples of 9 means table of 9 which can return up to 100. So 9 into 1, 9, 9 into 2, 18, 9 into 3, 27, 9 into 4, 36, 9 into 5, 45, 9 6 are 56, 9 7 are 63, 9 8 are 72, 9 9 are 81, 9 10 are 90, 9 into 11, 99. Now 9 into 12, 108, which is greater than 100. So we stop writing here. The find all multiples of 9 up to 100 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 56, 63, 72, 81, 90 and 99. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.